Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the problem when RoShade for Roblox is not working on your PC. RoShade not working problem is most likely caused by compatibility issues with the Roblox app. It can also be caused by outdated RoShade version, or also it might have a conflict with other apps running on your PC. In this video, I'll show you a solution how to fix this problem, and before I will show it, don't forget to hit the like buttons. Likes are super important for us, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, first of all, we need to open the task manager, and you need to make sure that Roblox isn't running on your PC. And when you make sure that Roblox isn't running, now we need to end all of the processes that could change your game files or show an overlay while you are in the game. For example, in my case, it might be Steam. So I will close the Steam. Also, it might be this torrent app. And also, I will close this app, Power Toys, which is running at the moment, guys. You should also make sure that any third-party Roblox apps such as RoShade isn't running at the moment. So when you end all of these processes, then you can close Task Manager. Once you will do these steps, then you need to go to browser and you need to go to roshade.com and you need to download the RoShade latest version. Just click the download button and download RoShade on your PC, guys. But some of you guys might have a problem with downloading RoShade from this website. And for you guys, I will leave the download link from GitHub, which will be in the description, and you can download the RoShade from GitHub. Okay guys, once you will download the RoShade, you need to set up the RoShade on your PC. Once you will finish the installation process, then you can launch Roblox using the shortcut to see if RoShade is working with the keybinds you selected to toggle the shaders for the Roblox. If you still have the problem and if RoShade isn't working properly, most likely this issue is related to Roblox client itself, guys. And you need to go to Start menu, and here you need to search for Roblox. When you find Roblox, right click on it and open file location. You need to do it again, right click on it and click open file location. And when you go on this page, you need to find Roblox player launcher, right click on it, go to properties, go to compatibility, and here you need to check this disable full screen optimizations and click the apply button and close this. So this is another step to solve the problem with the RoShader. Also, in the end of this video, I'll tell you that some users fixed the RoShade problem after whitelisting the program in their antiviruses app, guys. So most likely after watching this video, you will fix the problem. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.